This is our MagiVac Nozzle. It's designed to remove excess water off your screen before you put it in the drying cabinet. The nice thing about this is it's not going to ruin your screen because of this rounded edge. Some vacuums will have a head on there that's so sharp that it actually can cut into the mesh. This doesn't. In order to use this vacuum head, you need to get a wet dry vacuum. And any of them will work as long as it's a wet dry. This head will attach to almost any hose, 1.5 to a 1 1/4 inch, I believe. This one's 1 1/4. So what I had to do is take a little bit of duct tape, just wrap around that. And the whole idea is so that this fits rather snugly. Pop that on and you're ready to go. This MagiVac is designed to make you get on the press faster. This MagiVac really sucks, but it sucks in a good way.